Here in this video I'll explain how you can use memory. Trace, first you trace small file, like I'll look for it new, for example this horseshoe, and then trace it, then move it to origin, then clean by area. 1, 2, 3 doesn't clean because they are all big, so you clean, preview it here, it looks like this. Without that, click and then click here. So now I choose one of three memory bank, 1, 2 or 3, 1, and then I store this. So it's in memory now. You can see here is in memory. Now I open main file, and main file could be this one. Trace, then click this to move to origin, clean by area. Here is not any small polygon or polyline. Then I'll clean this way. It cleaned to 25 first try. Let's see more, but I can always turn like this. It's better to see. Clean more. It's 23%, then 21, and now it starts losing in quality. I'll stop here because anyway I have only 627 points. So I have this in memory, and I say restore. I'll do this one, but I can scale this little bit, or if I wanna scale it up, 1.1 scale. Actually I will scale it down. No, 0.9, scale down, and then move it a little bit. Okay, then scale up. And then when I am ready, I press union, and it merges into one drawing. So if I preview it, I have something like this. And other procedure is same like before. G code, choose metric imperial, generate G code, save G code, and then close. This way I can do up to 3 small parts merging. For example, it can be something else, yeah, but I store it in 2 or 3, and then that's it. Yeah. Also, when I'm doing font, I can generate font. For example, here, and when I cut that 600. Okay, when I insert frame like this one, now I can insert, but also I can move it instead of inserting, I can move it temporarily into memory bank number 2 and say store. This is over there, so I close this window, and look, if I see here is 1, 2, here is 2, back to 1. So I want to restore 2, click restore, is here, and then I move it and press union to merge with that. Very simple. Very simple. I'll repeat again this stuff. Red arrows here and buttons are for secondary drawing, usually smaller, to move, rotate or scale. Blue one is for big, and yellow one is for selected polyline, to move little bit up, scale. Also I can always measure distance between 2 points. Let's say the move point distance. distance between this point and this point here is 3.16. I can make it 4. So whole drawings will scale for that much. And also now I make it to origin. And here is preview, and that's it.